Oh, hi. Sorry, my cat just knocked something over. It's me, Haley, and I'm going to do another taste test today. And it's going to go from junk to healthy junk. You'll get it in a second. The funny thing is, I'm going to be working on trying to get healthier this year. Yes, I did order some bow candy crates, so that'd be nice. But besides that, I'm mostly going to try and eat healthier and try and lose some weight. Yes, Bella, I love you too. So let's start off with stuff I got from the dollar store. And this is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer gummies. And I'm not getting a whole bunch of these, but actually they're not too bad calorie-wise, are they? Okay, they're 140 calories, and there's 2.5 servings in this. But there is strawberry and watermelon. The other thing is I kind of swore off of artificially blue dye after my teeth turned blue. I have no idea what caused it, but I think it's artificially blue dye. I looked like I ate a Smurf. So, wow, that's really artificial smelling. Okay, let's get Rudolph's nose. So it does kind of look like Rudolph's nose from the old-fashioned things. That tastes like artificial watermelon. Actually, no. I like artificial watermelon. I hate real watermelon. Getting healthy is gonna be a bitch. That strawberry tastes kind of like cherry. They're not bad. They're kind of chewy, they're kind of soft, but not too soft and not too hard. For candy from the dollar store, that's pretty good. Now, while there is 3 different packages of this, they're all the same frickin' thing. So, I'm gonna kill Santa. Or at least open up Santa, which I have no idea how to get into these. These are Merry Christmas. They are truffles. At least they call them truffles. They look so much like double chocolate flavored truffles. Which they basically just look like, here's the picture. Like a chocolate candy with the chocolate inside, and it's like opening a Christmas present. Actually, it's just like opening a Christmas present. Special gift for you. Is your special gift good? Well, it comes wrapped up all nice and neat. This one has Santa. They all have Santa on them. So, looks like the Death Star. Its chocolate is hard inside. It's just chocolate. It's just a chocolate candy. That's all. My God, that's sugary. Nope. I am not eating that. I'll give that to a friend because I don't know if that's edible. Okay. Now on to our healthy foods. Which is really funny because my mom was telling me, you're getting junk food. Mind you, the produce section was out of produce today. So, first up is kale chips, ranch flavored. I hate ranch. I hate kale. Let's see how much I hate these. Ugh. Got a little one. Okay, so it does not look good at all. Oh. The only time I like ranch is in sour cream, or cream cheese actually, and on a cucumber sandwich. That's not horrendous. But it's not good either. I'm not buying this again. What a horrible after flavor. Kind of tastes like spinach. Kale plus ranch equals spinach, apparently. And I'm not eating up to 140 calories of these at once. Because there's two things of 140 calories in there. Just eating one makes me not want to eat more. I don't like spinach. I know I don't like a lot of stuff. Okay. Next up is green pea crisps. Baked pea snack. Is this even edible? Oh, great. It's gonna be one of those ones I have to fold over. It doesn't smell bad. That's what they look like. They kind of look like... That's not a pea. That's just cornstarch. Dried peas. Rice flour. Something I cannot describe or say. No flavor. And I love peas. I mean, it does have a flavor. It has that basic flavor with every crisp and chip, whatever you want to call it, has. It's nothing. That could have been good. Turned out, it's kind of crap. Apparently there's 3 servings in here, 120 calories for them. Who's gonna eat all that? That's gonna take some work. So far, this is junk food. Okay, getting into something that probably would taste better. Freeze-dried apples. I'm hoping that they're actually apples. Because, yeah. There's also 120 things and 120 calories, and the whole bag is a serving. A whole bag. That feels like a couple apples in there. But at least this one's resealable. Well, they don't look like they're freeze-dried. They look more like they are just dried. That's apple chip. That's decent. I actually like my apples dried because they have the whole flavor there, and I don't have to worry about them being too soft. Our winner! We have a couple more. Okay, up next is, this is really a way to lose weight. Trail mix. 130 calories per bar. Does not sound like a way to lose weight. Healthier than a candy bar though. And it's double chocolate cherry. It has cranberries in it. I hate cranberries. If this can make cranberries taste good, I'll be surprised. Mind you, I did give my brother some of the stuff I didn't like from one of the taste tests. He kind of liked it. Okay, so that's what it looks like. This tastes like a candy bar. Tastes like a cherry chocolate candy bar. So, if you're trying to transition to better eating and you eat nothing but candy bars, this is pretty good. I can taste the cranberry, but it's not bad because there's cherry next to it. Not bad. That's more drunk food. Next up is fruit nut. This is a bit higher calories. This is 150 per. And how are these supposed to help people lose weight? So fruit and nuts. Oh, that smells delicious. That looks delicious. It tastes like trail mix. Just quite literally tastes like trail mix. The fruits and the nuts in trail mix. Mind you, I don't eat the trail mix with the chocolates usually. I like the fruits and nuts. This is bloody fantastic. And a good alternative to a candy bar. Because most candy bars are 240 calories. Next up, these are active, fit and active, which is for we'll call it Aldi's, which is where I got all this healthy junk. And their 100 snack pack thing. Let's take a look. 100 calories. 100 calories. These are the chocolate ones. They're compared with Oreo Thins. I don't know who's comparing them. But that's the size of 100 calories. Fits in the hand. So apparently, if you can fit it in your hand, it's 100 calories. Well, I can fit the candy bar in my hand. Okay, so it just looks like a black square. It tastes like that diet chocolate you get. It's not good. It's not bad. It's meh. But it'll hit the spot if you're really in a bind. And last up is these Active Fit shakes. This is milk chocolate. It's a weight loss shake. After all I've eaten, that seems kind of stupid. But I do like my milkshakes. Okay, so one bottle is 190 calories. Total fat is 6 grams. Saturated fat is 1 gram. Now let's see, cholesterol is 5 milligrams. Sodium is 190 milligrams. Potassium is 740 milligrams. Carbohydrates, 25 grams. Daily fiber, 5. Sugar, 18 grams. Protein, 10 grams. And it has 100% vitamin C. Oh, and it does have 100% vitamin E. That's pretty good. Thiamine, niacin, riboflavin, vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, some kind of acid, magnesium, wow. There's a bunch of these that are 35%. So yeah, let's try this baby. Well, first up I'm shaking it. Because it's a milkshake. You don't want to have these without shaking it. Trust me, I have. Ugh. Not this particular brand though. It has a metal thing on top. They don't usually have this. Tastes like the diet shakes. Do they all have the same recipe? It's not quite Slim Fast, and it's not quite Equate. It's like right in the middle. They all have that bit of a chalky kind of diety taste. So I'm going to put the 3 in the fridge, and I'm going to finish off this sucker, because this is going to be the last thing I drink for the day, and put these away. This is my taste test for today, and I'm going to try and eat healthier in the new year. Not because it's a resolution, but because I actually got paid on the 1st, so I can buy food. Healthy food's so expensive. And they didn't have any this time, so I had to get this junk. You think it'll make me feel better? Toodles. Come on. Turn off, you damn thing. Sorry. My computer hates me.